Yes, yes. How you doing, man?
How are you?
Kind of low, kind of low.
I know.
Just have to wait, man. Just have to wait. Oh, yeah, not bad. Just have to wait. Oh, yeah. Enjoy the water, though. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man, enjoy. Woo, yeah.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Tony here with Tony Epic Shots. I got some good news. I got something that came into the mail today. Yeah. So in this episode, I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. Okay. Let's see what I got in this goodie bag. Oh yeah. Let's go open it up. I don't have my knife with me, so I'm gonna use my. One more thing, I've always been shopping at this website called Moose Limited. Their website is MLTD.com. Yeah, they got the best deals on hype beasts. Whatever you like over there. They even sell Supremes. That's what I got right here. Yeah. So I'm gonna bust that out, unbox it for you guys soon. But check them out. Yeah. They have all kind of brands, from Supremes to Billionaire Boys Club to Stussy to, yeah, whatever you guys like. And you know what? On Black Friday, they're gonna have a good online sale too. They're probably gonna give like about 35% off. But the secret is, if you guys can hold off till Cyber Monday, probably giving away 40% off on Cyber Monday, okay? Just a little tip for you guys, if you guys want to go shop around for some hype beasts. But yeah, go check them out, okay? MLTD.com. Mooses Unlimited. Oh yeah, they're a California company too, so ship out of California. So I got a little receipt over here. So the bag was like retail for I think $159, but I had to pay the secondhand market, so it came out to $240. And let's go. Hey, oh yeah, they do free shipping too. Okay, so check out them, Mooses Unlimited. Let's go open this up for you guys. Oh my god, I'm excited. Let's do it. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh my god, we don't need that. Whew. Oh my god. In the plastic. Let's go plastic open this up. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm excited. You guys ready? Bam! You don't need that. Ooh, look at this nice Supreme bag. So this is the 2019 collection. Ooh yeah, I like it. All black with the Supreme logo over here. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Let me show you guys over here. Hey yo, fake or real? Easy Buster, call me out. Let me see if you guys, if you can see, if you can tell if this is fake or real. Easy Buster. But yeah, this bag is pretty nice. Look at that. Oh yeah. So I'll be putting like a lot of my camera gear in here when I do my vlogging outside. And yeah, it looks great. Has a lot of pockets. Let's go start from the front first. There's a front pocket. Check it out. It's pretty big. Deep too. Yeah, you can fit. Oh, probably can fit a water bottle in here. Let me go grab a water bottle. Bam! I got one. Let's go see if it fits. Woo! Yeah, a lot of space. Feels nice. There goes my water bottle in here. Zip it up. And you'll be good to go. The only reason why I suggest you guys put a water bottle here on the side, there's no water bottle pockets, but there's straps for your skateboard, yeah, or your tripod, on both sides too. Both sides got straps. So yeah, I like the colorway on this Supreme bag. It's pretty nice. I like it a lot. Let me go drink some water. Thirsty. Okay. I'm gonna try that out too. Oh yeah. So let's go to the second tier. Second tier pocket. Bam. So this pocket is like a it's medium size on the top, deep in the inside. It's pretty deep. Pretty deep pocket. There's a zipper on the mid mid pocket too. So yeah, you can put a lot of stuff in here, like your wallet or your cables, or yeah, you can put a tablet over here too. Yeah, pretty nice. Got a little thing for your key. Okay, let's go to the main pocket, the main event. Check out the main event. So the main event, the main pocket, you gotta go bust out the straps. Okay, go bust out the scraps. Open it up. There we go. Yes, I do have real Supreme too. I don't always buy fakes. But there's nothing wrong on buying fakes sometimes. But when you go real deal. Holyfield. Oh, look at that. That's a big pocket inside. Wow. Wow, nice. Put your laptop over here. Deep laptop pocket. I think you can feel like a 15-inch laptop in here. Maybe even a 17-inch. Yeah, I'm waiting for the 16-inch Apple to come out. I hope it comes out soon. Hopefully 2020. But yeah, it's pretty deep. Check this out. Wow. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. Pretty big. Pretty big. Yeah, look. Pretty big. I wonder if I should put some stuff in here. I got a little box. I'm gonna get it right now. Bam! I got one box right here. Woo, yeah. Fits. Look at that. It's pretty good. Oh yeah. Nice. Check out the back too. Wow. Straps are pretty cool. You got the strap for your chest strap. Yeah, I like the Supreme over here, and it has the red box logo over here. Pretty cool. Supreme. And then yeah, this cushion feels good too. Nice cushion. So yeah, I think that's about it. That's all I got. So other than that, don't forget, I'm gonna have a mystery box giveaway for Black Friday. This is the mystery box in here. Oh yeah. So don't forget, subscribe, share video, and hashtag freebie Black Friday. Okay, you guys gonna have a chance to win whatever is in this box. Yes, there's a lot of goodies in the box. And don't forget, for Hawaii residents, I'm giving my stand-up paddleboard for a lucky subscriber on Black Friday too. Okay, so if you guys want to enter for that, hashtag freebie Hawaii, and then you'll be entered for the stand-up paddleboard. But other than that, I don't know what else to say, but I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya! Aloha!